These Water Bargain 5-gallon bottle caps come in a large pack that is ideal for anyone who regularly refills multiple water jugs at home or in an office. The caps snap securely onto standard 55 millimeter openings on 2, 3, 5, and 6-gallon bottles, so you can use them across different jug sizes without hunting for a specific fit. Once pressed into place, they create a tight barrier that helps keep stored water tasting clean and fresh, even if the filled jugs sit for an extended period. The spill-resistant design makes swapping heavy bottles on a dispenser much less messy, greatly reducing the chance of leaks, splashes, or drips during changes. Because these single-use lids are made in the United States and work with refillable containers, they support a more sustainable routine compared with constantly buying disposable water bottles. A portion of the proceeds goes to an ocean-focused environmental organization, so choosing these caps can contribute to cleaner water beyond your own home.